Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Google Pay to your bank loan account. The process is very simple, and by following these steps, you can easily make your loan or EMI payments directly through Google Pay. First, open the Google Pay app on your mobile device. Once it's open, scroll down a little and you'll see an option called View All. Tap on View All and then scroll down again to find different payment categories. Now, go to the Finance and Tax section and select Loan EMI. Tap on it and you'll see a list of various banks and loan companies. From here, choose the one where you want to make your payment. For example, if you want to pay your SBI Loan EMI, search for and select SBI Loan. After selecting it, enter your loan or account details, add your UPI ID and complete the payment. That's it. Your money will be successfully transferred to your SBI loan account. This method also works for other banks and finance companies listed on Google Pay, such as Axis Bank, 121 Finance, and Bajaj Auto Credit. Just select your respective loan provider and follow the same steps to make your payment easily. And that's how you can transfer money from Google Pay to your SBI loan account. Thank you for watching.